Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build Sciel in Expedition 33. Theo and the expedition can contend with Sciel in terms of supporting the entire team, possessing an entire arsenal of buffs that can elevate your entire team's damage output and performance. Starting off, the weapon that we're gonna be using will be the Lithison. If we take a look into its overall abilities, it provides buff to your teams, or debuffs to enemies depending on which phase you have currently stacked on Sciel, with Twilight mode giving the best of both worlds. And finally, on the level 20 ability, as long as you use buffs on teams or debuffs on enemies, you won't have to worry about running out of AP anytime soon. Whenever I'm playing, the best combo would be to use Fortune's Fury on anyone in the team that deals the most amount of damage, either Verso or Mael, or anyone really for that matter that you've already built to deal the most amount of damage. And follow it up with Intervention, to immediately let that character play. And Sciel would also be in Twilight mode, giving greater rush to your teams and greater slow to the enemies, giving your team an edge in getting the most amount of turns in battle. For the Pictos, just use any Picto that gives you additional buffs when applying to teammates, or to yourself to buff yourself up even more. And that's about it on how to build Sciel in Expedition 33.